Hi everyone, Caleb here with Park360. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of one of our Force dollies so that you know what to expect when receiving your dolly to your front door. We'll also be doing a basic setup and assembly of your dolly as well. When you receive your Park360 Force unit, it's going to arrive in a box just like this one. Make sure to inspect your box for any damages or if anything occurred during transit. If something did happen, make sure to contact us immediately. Once you get your Force box in a space that you're ready to open it, here's what you can expect to see inside. Your kit bag, which will include your manual and a small parts bag. Your ball mount box, which will include a 20-inch ball mount with both 2-inch and 2 5/16" hitch balls. Your battery box, which will include a 12-volt interstate battery. Next, we'll want to remove our handle. In order to access that, you'll want to lift up your dolly from the handle receiver tube. Your dolly should already be in freewheel mode, which should easily let you pull it up like this. The handle box will be at the bottom, which you'll be able to pull out easily like that. Then we're going to pick up our box by one of the handle holds. Tilt up your box, and you'll be able to roll your dolly right out. Let's go over the parts you should have received in your Force box. Starting with the handle box, you should have received a tightening bar. You would also receive your handle, which has a rocker switch on top for controlling your unit, handle grip, and a plug for connecting with the unit at the bottom. In your ball mount box, you would have received a 20-inch ball mount with a thrust washer zip tied on top of it. The thrust washer comes in two parts, the puzzle piece on top, and a round ring that sits around your ball mount. A 2-inch hitch ball and 2 5/16" hitch ball, both with spot welds for the mounting process. In your battery box, you should have received a 12-volt U1 battery with 6-inch battery cable for connecting with the unit. In your kit bag, you should have your Force manual, which will have a breakdown of parts received on the first page, an info packet, additional mounting parts, and a charge cable for recharging your battery. In your parts bag, you would have received 2 set screws along with an Allen key. These are used for mounting your handle into your handle receiving tube. We'll install the handle by picking it up, sliding it into the tube. On the tube, you will see 2 pre-drilled holes for your set screws. Take your Allen key and tighten in your screws until they're snug. Next, take your cable from your handle and plug it in to the 3-prong port just beside the voltage meter. Screw in the base to keep it secure. Next, to mount your battery on the unit, pick it up like so and place it into your battery tray. This is a sealed lead-acid battery, meaning it can be mounted on its side. Take your 6-inch power cable, plug it into the port just behind your 7-pin brake plug connector. Make sure to push firmly until it clicks. Next, you can tighten on your battery using a battery strap. Pull tight until secure. Over top of your ball mount, you may notice a piece of tape. This is in order to keep your ball mount receiver tube disc in place. This acts as a thrust bearing to protect your dolly. Your ball mount should slide easily into the ball mount receiver tube. It'll fit snugly, but should be able to rotate 360 degrees with ease. You can leave it this way for storage, but it will need to be taken out for the installation process on your trailer. For storing your dolly, make sure to leave your battery unplugged, otherwise the unit will be left on. Make sure to store in either a garage or a shed, somewhere away from the elements. If storing for long periods of time, such as over winter, you may want to remove your battery from the unit and store it in a warm, dry place. If you experience any issues with your dolly, if anything's missing or anything appears to be damaged, please feel free to reach out to us directly. Thanks very much for watching the video today, and happy parking.